be singing Call Me When You're Sober by Evanescence, if I said that right. I'm not sure. Oh, but yeah, my voice is kind of iffy right now. Sorry, my face is red. I was trying to sneeze, but it did not want to come out. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm sorry if I don't edit my videos. I'm too lazy to do that, and plus I don't know how to. So I just as soon as I'm done recording, I just post it. So yeah. Don't cry to me if you love me. You would be here with me. You want me, come find me. Make up your mind. Can't do that. That's loud. So maybe you can remember yourself. You keep believing, deceiving. Sorry. Take over and you're too late. Don't cry to me if you love me. You would be here with me. You want me, come find me. Make up your mind. Couldn't take the blame, sick with shame. Must be exhausting to lose you again. Sorry, I'm just tired, and you're too late. Don't cry to me if you love me. You would be here with me. Sorry. Come find me, make up your mind. Oh. You never call me when you're sober. You only want it 'cause it's over. It's over. How could I burn for this? How could I? Never mind. Don't cry to me if you love me. You would be here with me. Don't lie to me. Just get your things and make up your mind. Sorry, my voice kept cracking there. I've been coughing a lot too, so sorry about that, but give this a thumbs up or thumbs down, your own opinion. Please don't hate comments, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. I post videos, a lot of covers, and yeah. Bye.